Infield airport information, Victor 2353 Zulu, wind 340 at 5, visibility 10, clear below 12,000, temperature 3, dew point -1, altimeter 3042. Visual approach is in use, landing and departing runway 34 left, runway 34 right. Advise on initial contact, you have Victor.
We got Victor. Alright, we're gonna call up ground.
Where's your altimeter? Or...
Can you hear me, Shane?
Yeah.
You hear me, Betty?
Yep.
Bang ground, Skyhawk 3526 Juliet Central ramp with Victor, ready to taxi via far northbound.
3526 Juliet, bang ground, runway 34 right, taxi via Delta Golf.
And bang ground 3526, and we actually request 34 left.
Or 3526 Juliet, runway 34 left, taxi via Delta Juliet Alpha.
Three 4 left, Delta Juliet Alpha 3526 Juliet. Paying ground. Do you want us at an intersection for 3 4 left?
Or 3526 Juliet, do you want an intersection for 34 left?
If we can, we'll take Alpha 6, 3526 Juliet.
Or 3526 Juliet, runway 34 left at Alpha 6, taxi via Delta Juliet Alpha.
3 4 left at Alpha 6, Delta Juliet Alpha 3526 Juliet. Alright, we got our taxi clearance.
Is that how it is talking to ATC at SeaTac 2 when you're towing planes?
Part of.
Pain ground, Skylane 1069er Lima's off at Alpha 6. Would like to taxi to Central Hangars.
Have taxi. Hold the pen again. Delta Juliet Alpha. Clear left, clear.
Says 3526 Juliet, amend instructions, runway 34 left at Alpha 6, taxi via Charlie Alpha.
Charlie Alpha to Alpha 6, 3 4 at 3 4 left, 3526 Juliet.
1069 Lima, paying ground, taxi to Central via.
Alright, we'll get the checklist out. What'd you do?
Pain ground, Cessna 686, your Papa, clear of
It cut out.
4, ready, Golf 3,
Huh?
Northway.
I was just talking to it at a weird angle.
For takeoff, parking brakes set, seatbelts are most upright, seats and seatbelts are secure, cabin doors are closed, flight controls pull left, pull right, pull up, pull down, elevator full left, elevator full right, flight controls are free and correct, fuel quantity, just about 25 gallons fuel. Flight instruments checks make sure it's set for conditions. Fuel selector is set on both. Elevator trim is set for takeoff. Advancing throttle to 1800. 100, we're gonna check our right mag. That's to our left.
We're good.
About 100 RPM drop on both mags, we're good. Suction gauge in the green. Engine instruments, oil pressures in the green, temperatures in the green. Ammeter, we're showing no discharge. Our check idle. Idle's good, going back to 1000 RPM. Annunciator check, no warnings. Throttle, checked idle. Throttle friction is good. Strobes coming on. Radios and avionics sec, we're going to switch over to tower. Avionics are all set, won't be navigating by any GPS, so its transponder is set to VFR, blocking 1200. Taking flap 0 and brakes released. You'll do that after, once we start departing, you will do the
departure, after departure check.
On. We'll just do it before,
let me see it.
Before landing checklist. Give me the pen. You ready, Shane?
Affirmative.
Might want to check in my backpack one of the front pockets when I ask you to. There's an extra battery in there.
Band 4.
Payne Tower Skyhawk, November 3526, Juliet holding short of 34 left at Alpha 6.
Cessna 64 Zulu, continue up to Golf 2 intersection, exit of Golf 2 and contact ground. 3526 Juliet, Payne Tower, runway 34 left, Alpha 6 intersection, clear for takeoff, say again direction.
Clear for takeoff, Alpha 6, 34 left, and we'll request the southbound departure.
26 Juliet, left downwind departure approved.
Left downwind approved, 3526 Juliet. Hold the pen again. Full power set, engine is in the green. Airspeed is alive. 55 knots. 60, rotate, gentle lift the nose. Climbing up to 1,000 feet before we start our left downwind. There's 1,000 feet. And we'll start slowly making our way towards Seattle.
Latest information, November 2353 Zulu weather, wind 340 at 3, visibility 10, 20,007, dew point 1, all temperature 3042. ILS runway 32 left, approaching east, landing and departing runway 32 left and 32 right.
Boeing Tower Skyhawk, November 3526 Juliet request.
26 Juliet, say again.
Boeing Tower 3526 Juliet, we are over Winslow. We'd like to request the Seattle Skyline tour if that's possible.
3526 Juliet, transit approved, the altimeter 3042, and maintain VFR at or below 1,700 to keep it clear of the Bravo.
At or below 1,700, and we'll be doing south-north 3526 Juliet.
Roger. Plus 26 November, turn right Alpha 9, contact ground point 9 and have yourself.
They're super cool at Boeing.
Boeing Tower, Centurion 4580, Kilo inbound, ILS 32.
So right now we're over Winslow, we're going to do a south-north.
There, 4580, Kilo, Boeing Tower, runway 32.
So we're going to fly over Alki Beach, and then I'll put Seattle on your guys' window.
Runway 32 right, clear to land. Just stop right there. 80 Kilo, turn right the next intersection. 80 Kilo, turn right the next intersection now. And Cessna 84, we're just going across the runway over to the Bravo side. Now, no delay, traffic on a 2 mile bomb. Over to the Bravo side, 84.
Cessna 80 Kilo, turn right in the next intersection. 80 Kilo, you're not responding, do you hear me? 80 Kilo, I hear you, affirmative. 80 Kilo, roger. Now cross runway 32 right, contact ground point, none are on the other side, but you were instructed to exit at Alpha 9, which is about 4 intersections ago. Sorry, I missed the sign. Roger, cross runway 32 right, contact ground. 80 Kilo, crossing 32 left, and we'll contact ground the other side. Cessna 84.
Copy inside 35260, and thanks for the tour.
Alright, 262, break stage program, still connect. Cessna 84, let's try this again, runway 32.
Alright, clear the Bravo, climbing back up to 2,500.
Bravo 7, cleared for takeoff, straight out, 84. 84, register as Sparks proven, I really appreciate your help there. Not a problem, thanks 84. Kilo Mike, change my frequency 118.3, traffic, just south of the 520 bridge, also bound for the right now when it says.
That's not funny.
What?
Keep your hands on the wheel.
Cessna 82, now make a right turn, fly towards the Space Needle. You'll be following serious traffic at the Space Needle and bound for the right downward. Report them inside to follow. There's 5 Kilo Mike, that's just traffic over the lake's going to make a right turn towards you to follow you.
I want to go exploring these woods over here, man.
It's in a park. Isn't it Magnuson or something, or whatever it's called?
Cessna 84, traffic, Space Needle and bound for the right downward.
They got a radome out there.
I got one of them in sight, 84, look for the other. Roger. Cessna 82, the Cirrus has you in sight, do you have him? Cessna 82, roger, follow that traffic, and additional traffic, Cessna departed 32 left, straight out. There's 5 Kilo Mike, runway 32 right, clear the lane.
When are you uploading the video?
This one?
Yeah.
Probably tonight.
Wicked.
There's 852, number 2, follow Cirrus, correction, Cessna 852, number 2, follow Cirrus, runway 32 right, clear the lane.
Bremerton Airport, they got good fish and chips out there. That's right behind this little mountain you see in front of us.
Flying Tower, Cessna 784, I've got the Cirrus and the Cessna in trail. Cessna 84, right, thank you.
Now, this is just a fun New Year's fly, but we can actually plan some like destination trips too.
Yeah.
Like fish and chips at Bremerton, and there's a restaurant in Jefferson County up there. We can fly up to Bellingham. Once the weather starts clearing up, we can start making a lot more trips.
How close are we getting to the Olympics?
Close?
Yeah.
We can get closer if you want.
Take off, Bravo, where are you parking? Go to Clay.
Let's go take a look.
Sleep? Did he pass out?
Contact ground point, none are on the other side.
We're climbing right turn up to 3,500. We'll go check out the Olympics. You want to read the... There you go, Shane. There's a light. Just read the before landing checklist.
Seats, upright.
Yep.
Seatbelts, locked.
Locked.
Fuel selector valve, both.
Set on both.
Mixture, set for conditions.
Mixture set for conditions.
Landing, taxi lights on.
Landing and taxi are both on.
Autopilot off.
Autopilot is off. Is that it?
Yeah.
Before landing checklist complete, so hang on to that and you're going to read the after landing checklist once we land.
10-4.
Sitting at 18.8 miles from Payne right now. Tower Kayak 3526 Juliet.
3526 Juliet, Payne Tower.
Good evening. We are just about to cross shoreline at 2,500 feet. We have information Victor requesting full stop.
25, correction, 26 Juliet, stay your position.
We're at 11.5 miles to the southwest, 3526 Juliet.
26 Juliet, straight in 34 left, 343 mile final.
Straight in 34 left, 43 mile final, 3526 Juliet.
That's 26 Juliet, exited Alpha 6, contact ground.
Exit Alpha 6, number to ground, 3526 Juliet.
Connect.
Alright, if you want to run through that.
Wing flaps, retract.
Up.
Transponder, VFR and alt.
VFR and alt.
Strobes off.
Strobes are off.
Landing light off.
Landing light is coming off.
Taxi light as needed.
Taxi light is on.
Fixture lean for taxi.
Good.
Radio set, and that's it.
Okay, so after landing checklist complete, we're at Alpha 6. Payne grounds, Kayak 3526 Juliet, Alpha 6, request taxi to Central Ramp.
3526 Juliet, Payne ground, Juliet, Delta to parking.
Alpha, Juliet, Delta to park, 3526 Juliet. Alright, so if you want to checklist, shutdown checklist.
Parking brake set for conditions.
Yep.
Avionics power switch off.